take a look at the problem. You set up OBS Studio and you want to do the screen capture of your screen, but it's black. It's basically black. So in my case I have an MSI and I have the NVIDIA graphic card. To solve this problem you have to go on NVIDIA control panel. Then you have to go on Manage 3D Settings, click on the tab Program Settings. So, some users find a solution selecting OBS over here and selecting High Performance NVIDIA Processor and clicking on Apply. In my case, this doesn't work at all. In fact, if I open OBS Studio after this, it's still black. An alternative is to select here Integrated Graphics and clicking on Apply. So this solution worked for me, and I hope this is a solution for you too. So as you can see now, it's working the screen capture. I spent 1 hour looking into forums for this solution and I finally got it. So I hope that this solution can work for you, and if you're watching this video and it was helpful for you, just subscribe to the channel and put a like on it.